Everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of crude has moved in the last week and how the price of crude can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of crude, what we have seen, crude is trading at a level of $84.01. Let's see a 15 minutes chart if you are intraday trader. See, understand the price of crude is trying to go higher. Okay, this is the range where the price of crude is moving. Okay, after making a half around $84.180, $180, chances are high that it has come down. But if the price keeps sustaining above this level, we will see it can cross a level of around 84.5 and then further upside, because there mostly what it do is it moves out of the zone, then we have seen a further upside. If you look at the day wise chart, we are clearly stating that there is a probability of going further higher, because there is a U pattern forming and chances of sustaining this level will be there. Then we can see it can touch a level of $85.7 and a probability of crossing a level of around 86 will be there, and from there a probability that it can touch a level of 87.5. Okay, this is the day wise chart I am showing you. If you look at the dollar index also, there is a clear stating that a U pattern is forming here, and the dollar index now trading at a level of 105.679. Okay, so if the price keeps sustaining above a level of $105.5 and which is already being above a level of 105.67, so there is a clear pattern forming. If the price started going above a level of 106, then we can see the dollar index can move further upside, which can in turn reduce the price of crude. Okay, and once started sustaining this level, a further downfall we can see in the crude, but this is one of the factors I am telling you. Okay, but if the price started falling below a level of $105.5, which is now very close to it, so we can see if the price started falling below that level, further downfall we can see towards a level of 105.1 and then to a level of $104.95. Okay, then this is a strong support, so a bounce back can come or it can fall further down. Okay, so remember this, as soon as the price started falling below $105, then a further downfall we can see in the dollar index, and then there is can be a rise in the price of crude. Okay, so now let's see if how the price of crude can move in the next week. So before I move ahead, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com and one more mail ID in the description, and please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description. Suppose if the price sustains this level, chances of touching a level of $84.8 will be there. Okay, and if the price keep moving above the level of $84.8, chances of touching a level of 85.05. Once the price started sustaining over this level, the next support coming at a level of around $85.5, which is already being a weak resistance, so chances are high we can see it will cross a level of 85.3 after this particular level, which is already being weak. So chances of crossing a level of 85.3 will be there, and then a probability of touching a level of 85.9. Okay, if the price keeps sustaining over level of 85.9, then we will see it will cross that level, and yes, after that we can see it will touch a level of around $86.7. Again I repeat, suppose if the price sustains this level, chance of going towards a level of 84.8 will be there, and from there a level of 86. If the price keeps moving above that level, we will see it will cross a level of $87.46, which is already being weak. So chances are high it will cross that level, and from there a probability of touching a level of $89.7. This $89.7 is already being weak, so probability it will be high that it will cross a level of around 90, and chances of going towards a level of $92. Okay, $92 is already being weak, so chances are high it will cross that level, and chances of touching a level of 95 we can see, and then a probability of crossing 95 will also be there, because there is a clear pattern forming towards an upside. Okay, now if the price didn't sustain, because market is always uncertain, so you have to understand, suppose if the price didn't sustain, it can come down towards its next support at a level of 83.4. Okay, and if the price started moving below that level, chance of touching a level of 83.16. If the price keeps falling below a level of 83.16, a further downfall we can see, and from there a level of around 82.20 we can see, and from there a further downfall we can see to 61.57. Suppose if the price started falling below that level, a further downfall we can see towards a level of 79.70, and from there a further fall we can see towards a level of 78.38. Okay, and then if the price started moving below that level, then we can see it will touch a level of $77, and from there it can touch a level of 75. As soon as the price started hitting below a level of 75, a further fall we can see towards a level of around 71.46, and from there a level of below a level of 70, then we can see 68. Okay, and then a further low you can see. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me or giving the mail in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe.